Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have two exciting 3D printed blasters to show you guys. They are designed by Leedle Dynamics and they look really cool. Without further ado, let me show you the blasters. Over here we have a revolver style 3D printed blaster, and here is a 3D printed kind of pistol. Let's take a look at the pistol first. The name of the pistol is Satakeli, and this one is designed by Leedle Dynamics. And if you notice, this blaster is powered with this elastic cord here. There's no spring or plunger tube inside. Likewise for the trigger, it springs back with this tiny elastic cord. And it has a nice priming handle for ease of cocking. In this shot, you could see that there's a skinny push rod inside, which moves to the back when I prime the pistol. And yes, this pistol is magazine fed. Let's take a look at the magazine. Here's a close-up of the magazine. This is clear PETG, which looks really cool. The entire magazine is 3D printed, including the follower inside and the base. Now let's try to feed this magazine to the blaster and see how it works. All I need to do now is to push back the priming handle, and a dart is chambered. In the prime state as it is now, the elastic cord is put all the way to the back and is locked here. When I squeeze the trigger, the lever will push up the elastic cord to release it, and it will hit the dart inside, like so. Alright, that sums up my intro for the Satakeli blaster by Leedle Dynamics. Now let's take a look at the other blaster here, which is the nail clipper. This is slightly longer, and it has a drum which takes in 8 rounds, 8 darts. What I really like about this blaster is the mechanics. It's really cool to see how the revolver spins to position itself correctly for loading the next dart. Let me show you. So when I pull back the charging handle or the priming handle, you can see that the drum has moved counterclockwise by one click, and it has also locked the elastic cord here, just like the pistol. From the back here, you can see that the hole is not really aligned properly. But when I push the priming handle back to its original position, it will align by itself. And in doing so, it loads or chambers a dart. And we are ready to fire. Alright, enough talking. Let's put these blasters to the test. First, a quick test on the chronograph, and then some firing tests. you can see from the chrono test, both blasters can reach around 80 to 100 FPS depending on how tight you have tightened the cord. And as for the accuracy test, well, I noticed that the new Clipper is much more accurate when firing the small target board at around 5 meters away. I do find it harder to hit that small target board with the starter Kelly as compared to the new Clipper. The starter Kelly will miss the target board usually by around 10 cm to 20 cm, which is not a big inaccuracy issue. It's still pretty accurate at close range. In conclusion, both blasters are great design by Leedle Dynamics, and I do recommend them. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.